Hi felters and welcome. Today we're going to do something really exciting. I have the brand new Cindy-Lou Thompson book, A Masterclass in Needle Felting Wildlife, and we're going to have a look through. Let's get started. Methods and techniques to take your needle felting to the next level. That's me. I would like to do that. I haven't even looked through this, so let's have a look through together. I've kept it. I've had it for about a day. I haven't been able to do this video and I've kept it, so we're going to look through it together. The secrets of a world-class needle felter revealed. So if you don't know Cindy-Lou Thompson, she did actually do, this was her first book, and Masterclass in Needle Felting Dogs, which is amazing. It's really, really good, really worth getting, and I review it in, I'll put the link to the video at the end. Now this one, this is her second, I believe it's her second book. She's also going to be doing a third, which I'll mention in a bit. So Hubble and Hattie are the publishers, so let's have a look through. So obviously we're going to be doing these 4 creatures: hare, fox, badger, otter. Oh, lovely. So tools and equipment: how to prepare and blend merino wool, fur attachment. Oh, this is just so me. Troubleshooting, glossary, that will be good, and suppliers. That's always really, really useful. So I'm going to have a, oh my goodness, look at that fox. Oh, look, it's how to do the claws. Look at the face on that fox. It's beautiful. Now, I'm not going to show you the whole book, but I'm going to show you, as you know, a fair bit. I spoke to the publishers about how much I can show, and they said, you know, quite a lot, so it's fine. And I might have a couple of stills as well. This is how to do the framework. I am really keen on improving my hairs at the moment, and it's so hard once you get to a certain level in needle felting to improve yourself even more. I've just attended a course, look at that, beautiful, on horses with Natalie Brooks from Roly Poly Ponies, and it was absolutely fascinating. It was just brilliant. It was absolutely what I needed. So look, you get all the measurements, you get everything you need. This is the wools and equipment. Let's just go a bit further forward. Look at the fox hair. Wow, that is looking really good, and that's adding a highlighting colour in as well. Can you see, is it focusing? It's very, very good. And that's how to do the base. See the colour on the top? That's what is really hard to get correct. That is beautiful. So I'm going to flip through. I'm not going to show you everything. Oh yeah, beautiful face. That badger has got a gorgeous face. And then I'm going to go through this in much more detail. Look at the colour changes there. And then talk you through some of the good bits, or what I think is really, really good. So that's the otter. That's some of her dogs. They're so beautiful. This is blending wools, fur attachment, how to do it. So it does cover, it shows some of the dogs as well. And then glossary and suppliers. Right, let's have a closer look through. The things that this is covering is how to create armature for different proportioned animals in various poses. That's always really useful. 2 methods of creating eyes, 2 methods for nose, how to prepare and blend merino wool, 2 methods for attaching merino tops for long coat, reverse felting a coat, adding extra finishing colours, how to add texture. That's really useful. How to add smoothness to a very short coat, how to make a grass and stone base, how to attach whiskers. So there are loads of things in this book that is, so many people are going to find really, really helpful. So as I am allowed to show you quite a bit of the book, I am going to go through the hair, but I'm not going to show you all of the others, because I think you've got to have a bit of excitement for when you do get this book. What I have noticed straight away is the wool. She's given you the exact shades from World of Wool, which I absolutely love, or from Adelaide Walker, sorry. World of Wool, World of Wool, World of Wool. Yeah, so that really, really helps straight away. And then these are the extra things you're going to need. And then we go into the actual sizes of the armatures and the wire already measured out, how to combine them. So basic armature here with all the exact measurements. It's very similar to the World of Wool kits when you get them. Covering and how you start. It's really very extensive looking at it. Very gradual covering of the armature, which is always nice to see. There's the legs all done. This is showing you where the armature is inside it. And then we're building up the bulk and how to build up, how to do the head, adding the detail for the eye. This is really interesting, the way in which she's done the eye socket already early. I normally put the eye in and then build around it. And then this is going through the eye. Here we are. What's this? This is adding colour and detail. And you see all the colours. We've got here quite a few colours. Looks so different as soon as you get the eye in. This is detailing the different areas of the colours, so that's really useful. I think the head is completely separate still at this moment in time. Ears, now I did note, if you have a look at the ears, they look really good actually. They've got really flat with a nice little curve inside them. So the development of the ears is a very gradual process. Tiny bit of pink in there by the looks of it. If you can see that. That looks good. And then the different poses for the ears, which make a huge difference, don't they? But it's lovely to see, really lovely. I like that one. Well, I like both of those two. I said I'm going to try and do something from this book, and for me it's probably going to be the hair, obviously, because I really want to improve on my hairs. But look at this, direction of reverse felting. Very detailed. And then how to do the feet, and you can see, look, this is pages and pages. How many pages is that? Page 14 to 34 on the hair, so that is 20 pages on the hair. Absolutely brilliant. And then we'll just flip through again. I mean, I'm not being funny, people. I don't have to sell this to you. This is fantastic. If you are interested in especially doing the long-haired animals, you're going to need this. I think it's going to help explain everything. It's one of the most detailed that I've seen. It's like buying a course, isn't it? It's as good as that. There's the otter. Let's just see finished pictures of the otter. He's gorgeous, standing up really well. And then blending wools, and then a few more on the dogs. So this is definitely her first book. So this was the dogs, and the dogs that she covered in this one were the Chihuahua, the Dachshund. I have a Dachshund, I have to do one soon. The Yorkshire Terrier, the Poodle. It's tiny, weeny bit thicker than the wildlife one, not by much at all. But if you're looking at long textured fur and trying to create a really good effect, this is definitely for you. I think it's $16.99. Hubble and Hattie, the publishing company, contacted me and they've gifted this to me. I'm not paid for anything I say here, so this is all my honest opinion. Cindy-Lou Thompson is an amazing artist and we can all learn so much from her. She is entirely self-taught, so I do feel really bad that I'm talking about this and I know it's out of stock. I'm trying to get an update from the publishing company. I think it sold out very, very quickly is the problem. I'm sure they're going to restock it as soon as possible, even though on Amazon it says 2nd of August, which is a long way away. But Hubble and Hattie said they're trying to restock it sooner. I will try and get a definitive answer from them and pop it in the description below. You can go direct to Hubble and Hattie, to their website too, and have a look on there. So is it worth buying? Absolutely. I love it. So thank you very much, Cindy-Lou Thompson, for doing another book. And I have heard that she's asked about doing a third book, and she's trying to gauge opinion on what it should be. And it was, I think, endangered animals was coming up very high on there. I don't know what I would have put down, but have a think about that. Maybe put in the comments what you want her to create next. So really good. Thank you so much, Cindy-Lou Thompson, for all your hard work. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I've got a couple more books that I'm going to review over the next few weeks. This one in particular, Animal Friends. Right, ready? Look at the lineup. I would like to challenge myself and make all of these. So if you'd like to see that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you again soon. Take care.